As a general rule, desirability equals value, right? I don't remember much from high school economics, but that sounds correct. In other words, if people want something, no matter what it is, no matter how asinine it is, if people want it, if there's a demand for it, that thing becomes valuable. So desirability equals value, but desirability plus scarcity equals more value. If people want it, the product is valuable. If people want it and it's hard to acquire, the value goes up. And if value goes up, price can go up. For instance, if a restaurant has a menu item and that menu item has been written about, photographed, documented, if people are willing to stand in lines outside the building in inclement weather to taste this item, if you can only get this item at one place in the world, the restaurant can charge basically whatever they want. So I want to ask you, what's something that you are capable of producing, that you are in a position to produce, that only you can produce? What do you have that no one else has? What perspective, what experience, what very particular set of skills do you possess that you could use to leverage yourself and others into freedom or clarity or transformation or whatever? Now, if it's too broad, if too many people are capable of producing it, if the raw material or knowledge is too common, too accessible, you really open yourself up to someone else copying your thing and doing it better than you. But if it's too personal, too niche, too narrow, you're in danger of niching yourself out of the market. There's no market for your thing if you're the only person who cares about your thing. There has to be a balance between the niche and the relatable, the narrow and the broad. And Christ spoke about the narrow and the broad. He said, "Enter by the narrow gate, for wide is the gate and broad is the way that leads to destruction, and there are many who go in by it. Because narrow is the gate, and difficult is the way which leads to life, and there are few who find it." That's from Matthew's account, chapter 7, verses 13 and 14. What's interesting to me is that he speaks of the narrow path, encourages us to take it, admits that few find it, but his message is for everyone. Not everyone is open to it, not everyone will accept it, but it's for everyone, or that's how I see it. That's what I believe. And I want to tell you about something that I have produced, something I have created along my narrow path, something I have made available that has been in the works for a very long time. It's my new ebook. It's called Problems to Proverbs, Ancient Wisdom for the Modern World, Volume 2. It's a collection of thoughts, sayings, perspectives, nuggets, as I like to call them. Nuggets of wisdom. There's some truth in there. I'll admit maybe a little opinion, maybe a little mix of both. And are you capable of producing a book exactly like it, word for word? No, because I'm me and you're you. I have my soil, so to speak, my garden, and you have yours. But I do think you could benefit from it. I do think there is broad appeal in gaining wisdom, or at least there should be. So I'll include a link to where you can download and start reading. I think it would make a fantastic gift this holiday season for yourself or a loved one. I'll even throw in a $10 discount. Just click the link in the show notes. It'll have the promo code Christmas already embedded, so you'll automatically get the discount when you click the link. And I wish you nothing but peace, whatever you're dealing with or going through or working on in this season of your life. I'm Ryan Coleman. Thank you for listening. Click the link, buy the book, hit me up on socials, let me know which pages you like best, and I'll talk to you soon.